Hello and welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm making this delicious Ghanaian tasty corned beef and vegetable sauce or vegetable stew, which is very delicious, and I know you are surely going to love this recipe. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. So to my heated pan, I will go ahead and add in my cooking oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, and I'll also add in my chopped or diced onions. Allow it to release its flavors to the oil a little bit. Then I'll add in my grated ginger and garlic. You can use any spices of your choice as well. Now stir fry this for about 1 minute and allow it to do its own thing. Alright, so next I'll add in my chopped fresh tomatoes. To that I'll add in my tomato paste. I choose to add in the two. You can omit one if you don't love too much tomatoes in your vegetable sauce, okay? And if you have meat stock, go ahead and use it. So I added in my water to allow the vegetables or the tomatoes cook down very well. Okay, so after 10 minutes of cooking it, this is how it looks like. It looks already now, okay? So next I'll be going in with my powdered pepper. Today I'm not using fresh pepper. If you want to use fresh pepper, why not? You are good to go, okay? So the pepper is totally to your taste. Alright, so moving forward, I'll add in my corned beef. This is leftover corned beef that I have in my freezer. I'll add in the fresh one when needed, okay? I also added in my onga tomato seasoning powder to give the stew extra taste. And remember, I've not added in any salt because of the corned beef I'll be using in this recipe. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and add in my veggies, which is the carrots, green pepper, cucumber, and my sausages, okay? Stir fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes and allow the vegetables to loosen up a little bit. You can use any vegetable of your choice. And for the corned beef, this is the brand that I'll be going for. I'll be going for Lele corned beef. Use any brand that you feel comfortable in it. Alright, so after extra 2 minutes, the vegetables has cooked down very well, and this is the consistency or the crunchiness that I'll be going for. So I'll be adding in the rest of the ingredients, which is my chopped cabbage, which is the last thing to add to it because cabbage loosens up very easily, and I don't want mine to loosens up very fast, as you all know. Alright, so I'll also go in with the rest of the canned beef, and tell me why you don't want to try this delicious recipe. This looks so palatable, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Now this is the time for me to add in my salt because the canned beef is a little bit salty, so be mindful of the salt you add to your stew, okay? So I'll go in with half tablespoon of it, stir everything together beautifully, and next I'll add in my scallions. This is totally optional, okay? I just want the stew to look a little bit attractive, so you can omit this process. And after 2 minutes it's all done. I'll give it a gentle stir, and look how delicious this stew looks right now. Alright, so now let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. So now all that is left is for us to enjoy ourselves. And so I paired this your malicious, tasty Ghanaian canned beef and vegetable stew with my rice, and some also enjoy theirs with plantain. You can also enjoy yours with yam, just name it, you are good to go. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.